Hi everyone. You're welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this space, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So today we'll be looking at how you'll be able to use Coinmarketcap to look for very good projects that have enough money and how you'll be able to pitch those projects and land a Web3 job for yourself. So you go to Google and then you search for CoinMarketCap. Make sure you are clicking the right link so that you don't get to be taken to a scam link. So after opening it up, this is what you'll be seeing, and then you go to the top right corner, and then you click on the three horizontal lines that would lead you to this place, and then you'd click on the cryptocurrency category, which will give you a drop down, and thereafter you go down to the NFT category, and then you click on upcoming sales, upcoming sales down there. Yeah, so after clicking on that, you'd be directed to this page, upcoming sales of NFT collections, and these are projects that are about to launch out and go there and give sell out. And as you can see, you're seeing a lot of Solana project, Ethereum project, any projects that are about to launch. Yeah, they are listed here. And the reason why this is very important is this particular collection contains projects that have very good and trustworthy project founders and project teams, so you can be sure that you're landing a very good job on the Web3 space. Yeah, so another way to really go about this search is to click on the cryptocurrency category again, and then you'd go down and click on the recently added here. This will give you a list of NFT projects that are recently added, or even DeFi projects. So these are projects that are recently added, so you can click on any one of them and then look around, look what the project is all about and what it entails. Yeah, so you can just scroll, and anyone you're just interested in, you look at the volume, the fully diluted market cap and everything, and then you'll be able to select anyone you feel okay, this one would do well. And then after selecting, you click on that particular one. So I'm clicking on protocol 0 here, and that's one way. And how you'd be able to get either their Discord channel or the um Telegram channel, where you'll be able to chat with the project founder, is to click on that chat right there. Yeah, it contains link that will take you either to the Discord community or to the Telegram community, where you'll be able to see the project founder and be able to pitch the project founder very well. And that's that about that. And this is not the only method to go about getting good projects from CoinMarketCap here. Okay, we're going to go back right now, and then I'm going to show you another way to go about this. So okay, you click on the cryptocurrency drop down again, and then you click on categories. Yeah, categories. After clicking on categories, will open up a new space for you here, and if you see around there, you'll see different projects that are listed on different ecosystem, Ethereum ecosystem, um, Aptos ecosystem, a lot of different ecosystems. So when you click on this one of this ecosystem, it will take you to, like for example, if you click on Ethereum ecosystem, it'll just bring you and show you the list of projects that are built on the Ethereum ecosystems. So you have a lot of ecosystems here, a lot of networks, and so anyone you desire to look into, you click on it, it will give you a drop down of different project under it. So this is top Ethereum ecosystem tokens by market capitalization. So when you look at it, you see different projects here. So any project you're just interested in, you can click on it and then do your research on those projects and draft out a very wonderful pitch on how you could be able to reach out to the particular project. And if you've been going to project communities and opening tickets and just asking them if they need a particular service, you've been doing it totally wrong. But if you want to learn the right way to make an irresistible pitch and land jobs easily, I think you should get my pitch right book. That will teach you the best way to actually make an irresistible pitch. The price just increased though. I'm very sorry if you're not able to get it back then, because I've added a lot of very enticing things and instrumental things that would land to that job easily. See ya.